Okay, so just a quick unboxing using this Rosecraft Nolunchucky jack. It's a great little knife. I bought that one from Kevin over at Duty's Daggers a while back. Now, got a few little treats in there. Welcome to the EDC community from Adventure Carry. I've actually never made a purchase from them before, so I was pretty happy with their service. Alright, let's check these out. Very well packed. So we've got Jack Wolf's knives. Jack Wolf, I should say, ×2. And these are the Gateway series, the new equal end jacks. So first of all, I'll open this one up because I think I know exactly what to expect in terms of how it's going to look. Actually, it looks more yellow in pictures and videos, but in real life it's actually more tan, which I really like. Fit and finish looks great. That is a strong pull. Very nice snap. Okay. So this other one, I've been really curious to see what mine's going to be like. I've seen dark and light. And so basically it's the ebony wood. And I really like dark ebony wood. I did see a picture of one that had a lighter, so hopefully mine will be nice and black. It does have a little bit of lighter coloration, but it's pretty dark, so I'm pretty happy with that. Again, that seems, yep, nice snap. Nice fit and finish as well. Really, really nice. It's my first experience with Jack Wolf, and it's exactly what I expected. Yep. That's firm. Excellent. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I may make another video once I actually use these things a bit. For now, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.